That voice answering the phone is not a person. It is my AI receptionist, live for the past 7 days straight. It never sleeps, never takes a break, and never asks for a raise. The whole thing costs 34 cents a call. This week, I built an AI voice agent from scratch using Twilio, GPT-4o Mini, and ElevenLabs. It answered a real business line for 7 days. No scripts, no shortcuts. You get the full build, the failures, and every single cost line. Nothing rounded, nothing hidden. The logs print everything. Start with the problem this build solves. Missed calls are silent invoices. The caller does not leave a voicemail. They call your competitor instead. Industry pricing shows the other half. A human handled call typically costs $6 to $12 once you count wages and time. Quick rule for this video. Blue ink means industry benchmark. Red ink means measured in my build. Gray means demo scenario. A voice agent is really just a loop with three parts: ears, brain, mouth. Twilio answers the phone and streams the audio to my server. A speech model turns that sound into text. That's transcription. The language model reads it and decides what to say back. ElevenLabs turns that decision into a natural sounding voice. The loop repeats on every turn. Total round trip delay about 1 second. Here is the exact stack with published prices. No guessing. Twilio costs under a cent per minute. GPT-4 or mini runs for fractions of a cent per call. ElevenLabs carries the biggest line on the receipt, the voice itself. Platforms like Retail Bundle all of this for 30 to 50 cents a call. I build it raw instead for full control and the lowest possible cost floor. The build starts with a single webhook. Every incoming call hits my server first. The server immediately opens a media stream back to Twilio. Audio now flows both ways in real time, no polling, no delay. The agent gets exactly one narrow job to do: answer the phone, qualify the caller, and book a slot on the calendar. Nothing irreversible ever happens on this line. No refunds, no cancellations, and absolutely no payment talk. The system prompt is the whole personality of this agent. Mine runs under 200 words total: business name, operating hours, three core services, and one booking link. And there is one hard rule sitting at the very top of the prompt. When it's unsure about anything, it stops and takes a message instead of guessing. A short, boring prompt fails a lot less often than a clever one. First test call, and it was an honest disaster. The agent starts answering before I even finish my sentence. It interrupts me twice inside 1 minute. It sounds eager, but completely useless in practice. The fix turns out to be one setting: a silence threshold. The agent now waits 700 milliseconds after I stop speaking before it responds. Second test call, same script, same line. This time it finally listens like an actual professional would. Second problem showed up right after dead air. 4 full seconds of silence before every single reply. And callers hang up on silence every single time without fail. Streaming the response as it's generated cuts that weight down dramatically. First words now land in about 1 second instead of four. Both of these fixes cost absolutely nothing extra. They are just settings, not additional spend on the bill. Monday, 8 a.m., and the line goes live for real. This is a demo scenario running through my own service business number. Every single call logs four things automatically: duration, outcome, the full transcript, and the exact cost. The ticker running at the bottom of the screen is the live running spend for the week. It prints continuously all week long, and it never lies about what actually happened. Every single call opens the exact same way. The agent clearly states up front that it is an AI assistant, not a person. Nobody hung up at the disclosure, not once, all week. Two callers actually asked it to slow down a little. It slowed down immediately, no argument. Honesty about being an AI costs absolutely nothing here, and it filters out exactly nobody. Wednesday, 11:42 in the morning. A caller asks about pricing, gets a straight answer, and books for Thursday on the spot. 91 seconds, start to finish, no hold music, no transfers. The calendar entry lands automatically while she is still on the line with the agent. Cost of that entire call, 29 cents, right down to the receipt. Red stamp on this one. Measured, not modeled, not estimated. Friday brings the other kind of call, the hard kind. A customer is genuinely upset about an invoice they were charged. The agent does not argue, does not try to explain itself. It apologizes once, calmly takes a message, and immediately flags me directly. That split right there is the whole philosophy behind this build. Machines handle every mechanical, repeatable call. You, the human, keep every single judgment call. The week closes out with clean, simple totals. 47 calls answered in total, zero missed, not a single one. 2 hours and 31 minutes total time on the line across the week. 5 calls got escalated straight to a human, exactly as designed. Average call length 3.2 minutes, start to finish. Every one of these figures prints straight from the raw logs, nothing adjusted. Now the math, line by line, exactly how it breaks down. Twilio costs about 3 cents for an average call. Transcription runs about 2 cents on top of that. The language model itself costs about 1 cent, almost nothing. Then there's the voice, ElevenLabs at 28 cents, the single biggest line by far. Total 34 cents per call. This is modeled directly from published pricing, then checked against my actual invoices. The voice is the real cost here. Everything else combined is basically a rounding error. Want this exact build for yourself? The full system prompt, the webhook code, every guardrail, and the complete cost sheet. Just comment the word agent down below, and I will send over the full template free. It genuinely takes about 1 afternoon to deploy from scratch. Now put this number up against the real world benchmark. A human handled call runs $6 to $12 once you count everything. Blue stamp, that's the benchmark. My agent handles the same call for 34 cents. Red stamp, that's measured, not estimated. Even against the cheapest human option, that's still a 94% drop in cost. One honest catch prints underneath that number. It only reliably handles the simple majority of calls, not every single one. Three honest limits before you build anything like this. Heavy accents and bad phone lines still break transcription, no matter how good the model gets. Complex or emotional requests always need a real human path, no exceptions. And never give it irreversible powers over money or accounts. Keep every job narrow, every outcome reversible, and every call fully logged. Voice AI is not magic. It is cheap, patient labor for repeatable, low stakes calls. One number really explains the timing here. Searches for AI agents for business grew 210% this past year alone. The voice agent market itself is compounding at 39% annually. The tools got cheap long before most business owners even noticed. That gap between cheap and known is your actual window. It will not stay open forever. The final receipt, fully measured, no rounding anywhere. 47 calls answered over the week, every single one of them. 2.5 hours of total talk time on the line. $16.02 for the entire week of coverage. 34 cents per call, average start to finish. The phone answers itself now every time it rings, day or night. I keep every judgment call that actually matters, and the machine handles the rest.